Welcome back to my channel. So my friend got this fog light, LED fog lights on Amazon. He couldn't find it in stores. They had standard ones, again, basics. I was gonna show you the before and after, but his lights are all burnt out. So there's no before, it's only after. So we're gonna install these lights. The passenger side, you just go right under. There's a video on YouTube how to get it. But there's a small slot here under the passenger side, and then it just opens up two screws. Once this comes out, and then two screws right there. For instance, right here on the driver's side, there's two screws here. You just have to unscrew them on both sides, and then this would just pop right outside. Just wiggle it and it comes outside. And yeah, let's see what the lights look like once installing it. That's how the before it's already burnt out. Shit doesn't work. And then we got this on Amazon. Style's nice. And so that's the after fog lights. White, they're bright. Better than the standard ones. A lot better. But yeah, if you put a tint, he's gonna put a tint on it, a yellow tint like I did on my 2019 Honda Accord. He's gonna put a tint on it to get that contrast. So that's next. So stay tuned.